Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another unboxing day, or like another beauty haul, because I just bought something from Phuong. I've seen it like a million times on Facebook and TikTok because it's so trend, and then it's so popular on Facebook, on TikTok right now. So I really wanted to try it out, and I think after this video I'm gonna make a video of trying out the products right away, because everybody is hype up about these products, and I've seen a lot of YouTuber or like a KOL that start using this. So I think I really want to give it a chance. And this from Korea, this product from Korea. So I looked for it and I found it from Phuong, so I got it shipped to my house. And yeah, hopefully you guys like this video, and let's get started. Find my box. Oh, I forgot to take this. So this is Phuong box. I know it's kind of big, but there's only like 3 products in here. It's from the same brand, so I think some of you guys may already know the brand because it's popped up a lot on my feed and my reels. So I've opened this. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys see better. Okay, so this is the Phuong box. I open it. This is gonna be just a short video. Just I open the products that I buy recently. But I like Phuong because the way they wrap your product very carefully and wrap a lot of layers, so it keeps your products from breaking. It took me a while to get all this out. Yeah. You see how much wrap they put? Only like 3 products. Oh my god. This is how much the wrap it is. Put it back in the box. Okay, so the first thing that got very hyped up from the internet is this products. Is this brand called NUMBUZIN? I think how they call it. And this is the first one. It's called porcelain base skip tone up base. So I heard about these products when I saw a TikTok video that said that you don't have to apply foundation or cushion or any kind of foundation on your skin anymore, because these products will make your skin looks like you're wearing makeup, but actually no makeup. It's just gonna tone up your skin and make it look like you're wearing foundation, but it's just like a tone up sunscreen. That's what I thought, because it have SPF 50 and PA4+. So they said a sun care tone up cream that make your skin look smooth and silky. A blurring effect is applied. Enjoy natural and clear base makeup without foundation. So it just means that it's just what it's saying is that if you apply these products on, it's gonna blur out all the imperfection on your skin and give you a really nice blurring layer of it's like a new makeup, but you don't actually wear any makeup on. Now let's just open it up. So this is the main thing that I bought to try. So this is just, I think the line of this product is carry a lot of number. So now I have to seal. Let's open the seal up. Let's try. Wow. And the texture is a little bit thick, and the color is super bright. I don't know if it's gonna match my skin or not, because on the video they said that after applying you will see it like match your skin. It's just like make your skin better. So basically my skin works better. So oh, wow, looks at the different. So this, you can see the difference, right? So this is where I'm applying, and then I can see like right away it's a little bit toned up my skin, and it's give my skin a nice silky smooth texture. And it's like blur out all my redness and my my color in on my hand. So I'm gonna try this out in the next video, using this only without the foundation to see if it's actually work and it's worth buying it. And the next one, it's dry out already. It's like not sticky and it's so light. It's just like you don't wear anything. I think it's just like an updated version of sunscreen. Now it's like the next level of it. So you can have the sun protection, the light coverage for the like without foundation, and then the blurring effect that goes smoothly on your skin and blur out all the imperfections. So let's give it a try. In the same brand, I bought this. Is like a moisturizer, but it's that multivitamin vitamin cream, and it's at number 5. I don't know how the number system work. I just see a few, like they have 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. I don't know. But it is like a moisturizer, cream base, and it's that it provides you the with vitamin that help with your skin. Is that multi-effect cream will work to make your skin bright and healthy with 20 kinds of vitamin complex and 27 kinds of nutrients. So it means it's gonna help brighten up your skin because it has a lot of vitamins to suit your skin. So this is how the texture look. It's a cream base. Oh, when you start applying it, it start melting like water. I don't know if cream can match my skin type, because I have like a kind of oily combination skin, and then usually I don't use cream base. I use water base moisturizer, so it's lighter and it don't feel too thick and it's not sticky, because I don't want to make it more oily. Because when you apply too much product or heavy product on your oily skin, it's gonna make it feel like it sit on top and it doesn't absorb it well. So usually I buy water-based moisturizer, but I think this might work because most of the Korean skincare products, they're very light and you can layer on top of it. So I think I'm gonna use this for nighttime routine for my moisturizer for nighttime, because at night you need more nutrient and you need more moisturizer to help your skin like stay healthy overnight, and it's absorbed better overnight. You have more time basically. Next is this product. I think it's one of the very popular products this day. It's also set number 5, so it means that it's carry the same line as this one. So number 5, and it's a serum. So recently I have I'm now using Estee Lauder serum, and I like it a lot. It's like very good for your day and night, even it's that for like a night repair, but you can use it for day and night. And then mainly I always wanted to try Korean products that help with my skin, especially serum, because I like Korean product serum a lot. So I have few brands that I really love for the serum, but this one, because this brand become really popular recently, I think in the last few months, and I really wanted to give it a try, see if it's worth it. And so if it's worth it, then I'm gonna keep using it for a while, because I'm not the type of changing my skincare routine that often. So if I can find something that works really well for my skin, I will keep rebuying using it. So this is like a a 2-in-1. No, they go like 1+1 bottle. So this is how small this bottle is. You see, it's just around my palm, within my hand. So it's this small, but it gives you a pump. It's like this one. So you can just pump it up and then put it on directly on your skin without touching your face, your hand, or anything else. So this is that vitamin concentrated serum. So recently I've been trying to find some serum, or I've been using a lot of products that have vitamins and nutrients. So I basically want to have my skin look brighter inside out. So I try to find some vitamin C or some different serum or skincare products that can help make my skin brighter, healthier, and glowy. Not like oily glowy, but naturally glowy from within. So since this brand carry this kind of serum, I will try it out. And this one is like I have 2 bottles, so I have some. I can use it for a while, and then I'll tell you if it's worked or if it's not worked. So if you want to try out, you can just go to Olive Young website and then search for this product. This is the product name. Okay. And they give me some sample of their brand. So just some sample. And yeah, that's it for today, I guess, because I only bought 3 products from Olive Young, but the main thing I want to try is this one. So if you guys wanted to test any other products besides this or from Korea, then just leave a comment down below, and then I'll test drive for you guys before you guys try it. So please like and subscribe this video if you guys haven't done it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye bye, have a good weekend. So this is my most recent skin condition. I think it's pretty okay for the most part, and then because I've been sick for a week or 2, so my skin got some like pimples and then redness and like the white heads, black heads, but it's just a minor problem. And then my skin, because I've been drinking a lot of water still, so and try to keep eating a little bit healthy, so I think it's okay. Just the fact that I need something to make my skin a little bit brighter and healthier looking, so that I want natural makeup, not using a lot of foundation or cushion. But yeah, here's my skin right now.